I have this wood decor hanger. It came from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to paint the entire thing using some Wise Owl Snow Owl. It did have a hanger at the top that I removed, and you do not need to give this full coverage. Next, I have some contact paper, and I'm going to take a star cutout and just trace over the contact paper. This is on the back side, and I'm going to do this 5 times. And then I'm going to cut each star out of the contact paper. Now, this is just a cool technique I want to show you. You can really do any shape of your choice. Then I'm going to take my Wise Owl 1 Hour Enamel Clear and put it on top of my paint once it was dry. That step is important. And then I'm going to remove the backing from the contact paper. Starting at the bottom of the board, I'm going to place my first star down. Now you want to make sure the 1 Hour Enamel Clear is dry before moving to this step. And then I'm just going to go up the board, leaving a little space at the top with the 5 stars. I'm going to be working with this transfer. It's called Caravans, and I just love the design and the print on it. It comes with 2 full sheets and can be found on our website at chalkitupfancy.com. I'm just going to pick one of the sheets, and on the back side, I'm going to trace my board so that I can cut out a piece of the transfer that's going to fit on top of my entire board. Again, this transfer is called Caravans and can be found at chalkitupfancy.com. I'm then going to remove the backing from the transfer. Now, once you lay this down, you cannot move it, so just be sure you are ready to place it down. And I'm going to place it on top of my board over the stars that we placed down too. Now, each transfer comes with this nice rubbing tool, and I'm just going to rub on top of the board. And as I rub, that transfer is going to adhere to my surface. And again, the 1 Hour Enamel Clear is an important step prior to placing the transfer down. I do feel it helps it adhere to the board. It makes the surface nice and slick. Once the transfer is down, I'm going to take a razor blade and lift up very carefully those pieces of contact paper. And this can certainly be used on a second project, so I set all of those aside. And I just kind of rubbed on top of the star. I feel like it helped with lifting the star so that the transfer did not tear in any areas I did not want. And I thought this was a really cool technique for the transfers. I took wood letters and I spelt the word hello, and I painted those in Wise Owl Anchor. Now, of course, you could pick any word of your choice. So if you have more letters, then you just cut out more stars. I had this denim ribbon. It's a wired edge, which is always helpful when making a bow. I'm just going to make a very simple bow for the top of my board. And I'm just going to glue the center of that to hold everything down. And then I have these red and white artificial berry sprays that I got from Hobby Lobby. And I'm going to glue them down and place the bow on top. And then once my wood letters dried, I placed each letter into its own star. And there you go. Now we have this very easy Americana wall hanger. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Paint products, tissue paper, transfers, and mesh stencils can all be found on our webpage at chalkitupfancy.com. And don't forget, you can also check out other tutorials over on our webpage. Have a great day.